So guys, what's up? We're in another video guys. Nandito naman tayo sa pinakabagong video. Maglalaro naman tayo na ngayon ng The Intruders. So, oh, wait. Exit. Ayoko magsulaw! Gusto ko may kasama. Dak lang. Let's find some people guys. Ay, magsula na naman kayo. Ay, bacon. Tara. Yay! You got my heartbeat. Turn it around. Let's go guys, let's go. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Hey, I'm gonna go in there too. Hey. Who's this? Look, I'm handsome, right? I'm handsome. Hey. Yo! Okay, no. What is that about? What is that at the bottom of screen, bro? What's this? Button mode, easy. Easy, bro, easy. It's easy. Bro, if you both nightmare, nah, I'm gonna leave for real. Bro, just easy, bro. Let's go. Okay. The hell? What's this? Yeah. Oh. Huh? Where are they? The hell? What happened? Yo, if someone here, yeah, no. Where are you? Okay. Hello, what the?
This is an official report from the police department. We have received reports that a criminal is in your local area. Unfortunately, the phone service will be down for repairs. Here are steps to ensure your safety if you are a victim of an intruder incident.
Shut up, bro!
Hide and don't wander the house. Stay in one room. 2. Wait
Ah!
for the intruder to leave the home.
Who's that?
3. If the intruder sees you,
Dead.
dead.
Bro, why are you
I hope you are now prepared for when you are in an intruder incident.
Mimi lang. Nasaan kayo? Huwag na ko iwanan, papatayin ko kayo. Natin dito. Wala na siya. Patayin kita, sige. Kung aalis dyan, patayin kita. Na! Where did he go?